Hello everybody, get ready to teach 5.4 6th grade math today, part 1. 5.4 dividing decimals today. We have a 32-point classwork sheet. And then we have 2 points here of notebook taking, operations with decimals. Here is our standard here. And today's bell work teachers is here. We have 2 division problems. Students, be careful here with your decimals. Give your students 5 minutes to do this. Okay, welcome back. And for number 1, you should have gotten 160. Teachers, demonstrate this for your students if they have issues with this. They shouldn't, but if they do, do that here in this space here. And then this one here would be 18.23, more decimals here. Demonstrate that here, teachers, for your students. Okay, onward into our lesson today. Essential question: how do you divide decimals? So our explore activity will contain this, modeling decimal division. You maybe use a area model. So using decimal grids to find each quotient, 6.39 divided by 3. So shade grids to model 6.39. Here's 6 here, and then we have 39 shaded in here. I mean, each one of these grids has 100 squares. This one's got 39. That represents 6.39 divided by 3. So here's each one of these is 100. So, and then this is 39. So when we divide these by 3, separate into 3 groups. Here's group 1. Here's group 2, here's group 3, and then 1/3 of 39 would be 13, or 0.13 for 39. So separating the model into 3 equal groups. So we have 1, 2, and then 3 here. How many are in each group? So we have 213 squares in each group, and we have this is 1/3 of the solution of the original amount that we divided was 3 times this amount here, 639. And then when you divide that into 3 equal groups, you get this 2.13 is what you get. This is one of the equal group. Okay, back into our area models again here. So we're going to divide 6.39 by 2.13 again. Remember, we had this here, and then we did this. We divided it like that, 13, 13, 13. So here's group 1, here's group 2, then our third group is 13, 13, 13. This is another way of looking at that same problem here, divided by 2.13. So each one of these is 100 here, and this is group 1, group 2, and then these are 13s here, and then this is group 3. Will be another way of doing that. Students, fill in this, because this will give you an idea of what dividing decimal is actually like. And then here was our equal quotient here for that. So how many groups do you have? We had 3 groups here of this size here. So 6.39 divided by 2.13 is 3 here. The check on that. Dividing decimals by whole numbers is similar to dividing whole numbers. When you divide a decimal by a whole number, the placement of the decimal point in the quotient is determined by the placement of the decimal in the. So, for example, high school track is 9.76 meters wide, is divided into 8 lanes. So, how wide is each lane? So, we got to divide 9.76 by 8. So, we set up a long division situation here. We got 9.76 for our track. And we're going to divide it 8 ways. So, 8 goes into 9, 1. Multiply that, bring it down here, then we subtract, then 9 minus 8 is 1, and then we drop down our 7 here. So 8 goes into 7 twice, so that's 16, and we subtract again, 17 minus 16 would be 1, and then we drop down again, right? So we have 16. How many times 8 go into 16? It go twice. Then we subtract, and we have a 0 remainder. So it goes 1.22 meters for each lane, right? Isn't that how you do long division? And then, so how many decimal spots do we have here? Place decimal point and quotient directly above decimal point in the dividend. Here's your dividend here. Here's your divisor. Here's your quotient. So we have 1, 2 decimal places behind your decimal point there. So each lane is 1.22 meters wide, and that is part 1 of lesson 5.4. Part 2 and part 3 are available here at the email. Tests, quizzes, worksheets, homework, everything is available here as well. Thank you very much.